I really want to learn how the brain functions. I want to study neuropsychology, and that focuses on traumatic brain injuries, strokes. I really want to understand how it works so I can efficiently help children who need treatment. One of the things that sparked my interest in psychology was mainly my grandfather. He would bring a big bag of toys. Every December, he would give it to the less fortunate. And I just loved him helping and seeing the kids smile. I was fascinated how much of an impact psychology can do. I'm involved in the cat lab. We're studying the anxiety of parents and children and how it's transmitted between one another. Working with an EEG is an interesting machine, which basically it's putting a cap to someone. We want to make the sensors of the EEG light up. And with that, we see activity in the brain. It measures your brain wavelength, what parts of the brain are functioning when we put the kid through some task. And it shows consistently what part of the brain is working. I definitely grew a lot because of the cat lab. First 2 years, I was a little lost, but thanks to the liberal arts offering of a lot of laboratories, the cat lab really helped me move forward with my journey. The College of Liberal Arts saying that this is the place to find your place really resonates with me. Thanks to them, I understand what I want to do even more. And with all the opportunities they share, like for example, being part of Psychi, which is the Honor Society for Psychologists, really help you understand what you want to do. If you're feeling lost, if you're feeling like you don't know where to go, just be a little curious. The College of Liberal Arts' diverse ways of helping you, it allows curiosity to flourish.